When we set out to create Sales Builder Pro, we knew that we needed input from the real experts, residential HVAC contractors like you. We listened to your advice every step of the way to build a tool that truly meets your needs. Our goal was simple: create the #1 consumer buying experience for residential HVAC. If buying is easy for your customers, selling becomes easy for you. That's why we built a tool for a one-call close process, making it fast and easy to close deals at the kitchen table so you can sell more in less time. It's just a fact of life that some customers are not ready to buy right away. With our online buying tools, you can text a link to a customer so they can choose a solution, select financing, and sign remotely whenever they're ready. Most contractors want higher ticket prices, simplified financing, hassle-free installations, and profitability in every deal. We added features to address these needs, making it easy to customize options, capture job site pictures, and present consumer-friendly proposals that showcase your brand. In the past, selling mini splits used to be very complex, especially with numerous design considerations. By adding ductless design tools, we made selling mini splits just as easy as conventional systems. Now you can accurately design, price, and close ductless deals on the spot. Ready to take your sales process to the next level? Sign up for a free demo today and see how Sales Builder Pro can help you close more deals, increase profits, and build your brand.